Abdullah comes into the side to replace Fakhr Zaman, Baba Rizwan, Saud Shakir, Iftika, Shadab Nawaz. Oh, where are we at today, gentlemen? Early thoughts, Wakar.
Good afternoon, Dooley. Good afternoon, Russell. Pakistan, can Pakistan bounce back? And Sri Lanka, Russell?
Good afternoon, everyone. Pathum Nissanka opening the batting. He gets going. It will be impactful run.
And this man, one of the most feared of the new ball bowlers in the tournament. There's a few of them. Just quiet. I like it. It's missing by a long way. Just put your arms down, Shaheen. Don't get too excited too early. That's in the deep south of New Zealand.
Afridi mid-off there.
Fine. Very fine for 4. Runs on the board for Sri Lanka.
There, that is poor delivery.
He's up to it. He's
ball as well. Sam Pereira with his first. Oh, a little edge this time, and Hassan Ali has struck an early blow for Pakistan.
First wicket. Pereira gone for.
Have to re-bowl that one, or has it clipped the pad? No, he will re-bowl it. Swing away, leg side. Has he got enough of it to go all the way? Not quite. A couple of bounces.
It's a shot that he's got lots of runs.
Free hit. And makes the most of it. Timing not perfect, but it'll be good enough for 4.
And they love that.
And a pull shot now. Just dragged down a little bit. Onto it quickly.
From his hip, this was easy picking once.
Boundaries are. Opportunity, hit hard. It's hit him on the knee.
He couldn't really bring his hand.
It's flown away down towards third and over the head. Just.
Mendes. Intention, which way in a form. And there you go. Just the second single.
Is that every time both these balls
over the top, just over the head of mid-off the sea.
And dropped. Imamul Haq.
Great look at it, that's the thing.
Up in the air, and that's gone and done the distance. What a shot that is. But the position he got into there, nice.
Yeah, we heard Katie Martin do a word. Balance. Nipped around the corner. It's a fast outfield here.
Personally, just got a little bit straight, and goodness, that's beautiful. Fast outfield. Field to the biggest
Format of the game as well that you're playing in.
That's the channel he's looking for. To the top of the surface, which normally means there's. Shot and wide and gone for 4. This is such good flatter trajectory. A little bit of. Gets it past the man at point. Protection for those first couple of balls. Play. Edge and gets it past the infield for 4. It's a fast outfield. Nawaz will be disappointed. Action short from.
Okay, next. I agree. You got.
Slash for 6. Let's hit into the gap and 4. Very good foot
Play here.
That back of the length, just angling back in perfectly. What they're doing really well here is actually big.
Oh, yes. Lovely pickups.
Very flat, but in the arc, and just the timing and back. It's a good take here. Oh.
Which we're not seeing much from Nawaz. Going into the pitch.
After more to come, particularly if he can get. Huge gap between long on and deep square. Anchor. Oh no! He throws his head in the air.
Sanka gone for 50.
Because if he hits it
Oh, well played. Couple of good follow-up.
Just ends up slicing it. Now he's controlled that beautifully. There was width on
Right there, but just closed his hands and rolled his wrist.
tighter. And hence not a lot of option. He goes leg side-ish slightly. It's also good. No, it spins.
Your hands through it, it goes finer. Or is that one there just...
There's the pull shot, that's gone a mile up in the air, and it's a fabulous 6. He'd be able to get a really... There's the pull shot, it's another 6. He's been parked outside.
Some serious pressure. Meyer, problems.
Tries a Yorker and plays it very nicely with a straight back at 6s and 7s. 140. Sarora, great Yorker. Width and gone. Point. Fielder had just been too inconsistent. He just hasn't bowled the ball. He's played that shot so well once again, using the crease, going back and hitting it over the
Surface. He stays so low. Partnership between these two.
That's gone past the man at point very, very quickly. A half-tracker attempted and nothing. Very well put away again. Another cut shot attempted. Dive, full-length dive, trying to catch the ball on.
He wanted to go maybe a little. The diving wasn't
Cut shot. Wow, blistering stuff. This is top quality. And wide and putting it away beautifully.
These like beach balls right now.
Sal Mendes is 94. He has clipped that one away.
He is punted.
It's the highest ever World Cup score, and he's just added 4 more to it.
Early up in the tournament.
Now Pakistan.
Oh yeah, it sounded so good. It really did. He's on one now.
Back of the length. There it is, the 6. That's the clarity he's got.
And another. That is better.
Slower cutter. What?
Presence of mind to hold your shape.
Oh, please! Got really high.
120 elation marker here.
Yep.
It's gone in the gap and away to the boundary for 4 more.
The scoreboard used to scare me.
Nedge and gone, back to back. Hassan Ali goes. This is better for...
229 for 4. Wicket taken through the middle for Pakistan. Boom.
Third, didn't he, or fine leg. Big Pidge, big Glenn McGrath. Oh, he used to chunter away under his one-day internationals. And as he...
game, but he wasn't really very convincing. That's a good shot. Very, very good shot.
Found the gap just to the left of...
This, just too full, too wide.
With that field set, if you pitched...
Just came down the pitch, hitting on the on. Yeah, that's a beauty. That's another 4. Things are getting tougher and harder.
Somewhere where the fielders has been exceptional today.
Not hit it, Shaheen Shah Afridi says minds and takes it.
Up their 5th wicket in the shape of De Silva's gone.
Big shot.
He's timed it so well today. That's the...
That is probably the shot. Pulls the ball, puts it into the gap, raises the hand, is conquered.
Not breaking a sweat. Possibility of batting deep.
It should be taken, is it? Yes, a good running catch. Babar Azam.
Got to go for 12. 320.
3:44 on the board. Now time for the ball. They were hammered all about.
This will work for Sri Lanka on the strip. And we know that Patirana has got great change of pace.
Straight away, not wasting time. He's got a slip, Mahesh Tikshana. Even his presence should lift the Sri Lanka.
Right, a little bit of in-swing. It's part and parcel of what Tikshana does offer. Oh, that's nicely worked into the onside. There'll be a couple.
Shot at the...
That is a shot of high class.
Treat to watch. Full shot that's gone up in the air. They should be taken out. Caught, and it's a very good catch.
The presence of mind, kept watching it all the way.
Numbers suggest that he is right up at the top of the tree. And that is a pretty fine start. A little bit of shape. Get that front pad out.
Great position. We spoke about Abdullah Shafiq's front leg going.
And timer. That's a pull shot over mid-wicket.
It'll just be the one. Fine, and away to the boundary for 4.
Got to keep it nice and tidy.
Pulled away in front of square, and that will go to the boundary. Waited on it and got play.
He keeps Sri Lanka in Test cricket, Sadira Sama.
And again, there's a little one there. There's a little ticker. We talked about it 2 balls ago.
Early exit for Pakistan skipper. 2 down now.
Right in the way they think, and they present their case well.
It's a very good shot. Latches on to that.
An attacking option, but it helps you.
We
Chance or 6. Chance or 6. Oh no!
will have been saved by the bell there. Thank you, Sri Lanka.
That is not underperforming at all. That is sheer quality.
Dumps.
That finds the gap. That finds the gap. Better placement from Abdullah Shafiq this time.
Away from the game for a bit. That's good. That's very, very good cricket from Rizwan. He had that.
That has lift off. Abdullah Shafiq, big bounce.
On Shanaka to move his.
Glorious. It's top class. He just stepped outside leg stump prior to release.
Big shot over cover into the gap. That's beautifully struck for 4. Rizwan has played another classical drive in. Plays the cut shot, plays it well, delays the cut shot, finds the gap, finds the fence. 50 for his position.
Shot over covers his option sweep.
Brilliantly. It's a slice that's gone in the gap, and for Patirana is under tremendous pressure here.
Built different ways. Some need specific targets.
Big shot, straight hit, 6. Magnificently played. Abdullah Shafiq is cracked.
The side screen there.
Goes hard, finds the gap. That's going to be another boundary for Abdullah Shafiq. Read the length very early.
His bat is flying off his bat right now.
Oh, that slash. Wow. That absolutely bludgeoned.
Wickets. Beautiful. Stunning. Timing. Everything from Rizwan.
Superb timing.
He finds a way to get a wicket, but there's no question that Rizwan's just own more sinister to this. He's clear.
At 22, 23 games.
Nothing new. There we go. There we go. What a shot. He was hurting. He's still hurt.
Look at this shot. Great.
Only looking to win this game, but he's also looking to win the. Oh dear. Oh dear. Bonus for Pakistan. 5 runs. Anadol, Nurofen, whatever he's taken.
Let's call them painkillers, shall we? Well, sneak one, and that will be a 3rd one-day international century for Mohamed.
For a moment, because Rizwan, that was almost like he got his 100. He was that happy with the fact that the young man in his debut
Always wanted to bat at number 4.
Planning your play against him. That's up in the air, and oh, half a chance. It's a difficult. Another opportunity, and take grasped. There's a sweep shot into the gap. That is well struck by Saad Shakir.
And a wicketless so far has been the thing.
That's gone up in the air and has travelled the distance. A slog sweep from Rizwan.
This World Cup, the Sri Lankans.
And finally picks up a wicket. South Shakil would be bitter.
31 of 30, South Shakil.
Oh, outside edge, almost got a wicket. It was quick through the air. That last ball of Thikshana. It's 314 for 4. Galloping in the middle phase.
Yeah, record chase you mentioned, 260.
He wants Rizwan to come back for second. No, it'll only... Oh, that's straight and gone. On the bounce, into the side screen. Such a good... Top edged it, gets it past the man in the ring for 4. That's into the gap. Once again over pitching. Pathirana is being taken. Pulled into the gap for 4. Rizwan marching on. Goes for the drive. He wins it for Pakistan. What a knock, what a...
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। कैरियर टीवी पर खुशामदीद। तामिल फिल्मों का ज़बरदस्त एक्टर सूर्या की बायोग्राफी डिटेल्स बताऊंगा। उससे पहले मेरी आपसे गुजारिश है कि मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें। दोस्तों, सूर्या की एज की बात की जाए तो 47 ईयर्स एज है। होम टाउन है कोयम्बतूर है, तमिलनाडु। वाइफ का नाम है ज्योतिका। दोस्तों, सूर्या को जैसे कि आपको पता है, सूर्या जो है बहुत बड़ा फेमस एक्टर है, इंडिया का मशहूर एक्टर है, साउथ इंडियन तमिल फिल्में वगैरह करता है। और रियल नेम जो है सरावाना शिवा कुमार है। निक नेम सूर्या है। प्रोफेशन प्रोड्यूसर है, एक्टर है। और हाइट की बात की जाए फिजिकल स्टेट्स में तो 5.7 हाइट है। वेट अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 72 kg है। बॉडी मेजरमेंट में 40 चेस्ट है और वेस्ट 32 है एंड बाइसेप 13 इंचेस के हैं। तो आई कलर सूर्या का ब्राउन है। हेयर कलर सूर्या का जो है ब्लैक है। पर्सनल लाइफ डिटेल्स की बात करें सूर्या की तो 23 जुलाई 1975 को डेट ऑफ बर्थ है। और इनका जो वेट है अप्रॉक्सीमेटली, वो आपको मैंने अभी बताया अपनी वीडियो के अंदर कि सूर्या का जो वेट है वो तकरीबन 70 kg के करीब लगभग है। और इनकी जो करंटली एज हो गई है 48 ईयर्स हो चुकी है। बर्थ प्लेस चेन्नई तमिलनाडु है। और नेटवर्थ जो है 500 के $US है। और नेशनलिटी इंडियन है। ज़ोडिएक साइन कैंसर है। एजुकेशनल डिग्री जो है इनकी बैचलर्स ऑफ कॉमर्स से। डेब्यू जो किया है फिल्म निरकू नीर 1997 के अंदर किया है। तो दोस्तों, आज की वीडियो आपको कैसी लगी है कमेंट करके लाजमी बताना। और इनका रिलीजन हिंदुज़म है दोस्तों। हॉबीज़ लॉन्ग ड्राइविंग एंड कार रैम्पिंग है।